No two lawns are the same, so how can each garden get a customized cut? Mow your lawn according to your vision with Automower Zone Control. After creating a virtual map of your garden, the Zone Control feature lets you create zones for you to customize your lawn as you choose, whether it's playing football in the garden or focusing on your next garden project, while letting you make adjustments on the go through the Automower Connect app. This enhanced map also shows the position of the mower as well as the location of the boundary and guide virtual or physical wires. Do some parts need to be cut more often and others a little less? Cut to a specific length? Or a particular time of day? Or perhaps in a custom pattern? Does Automower need to stay out of certain areas? With Personalised Zone Control, the choice is entirely yours.